Hi, Miss Joligao. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello ma'am, good day. I am Filomasa Juligao, 42 years old from Coronadal City, South Cotabato, and married.
How many kids do you have?
I have one son and 13 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have five brothers and two sisters, and 15 child.
Please tell me educational background.
I graduated as a vocational 2 years course, Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes ma'am. I worked in Hong Kong for 2 years and 3 months from October 2015 to January 2018. My duties and responsibilities are for cleaning, cooking, ironing, laundry and for clothes, biddings, marketing, and take care of pet, and also take care of twins boy 3 years old. And also, I work in Japan to Mr. Panyan as a domestic helper also, like doing cooking, cleaning, gardening, car washing, ironing, beddings, and take care of pet.
Okay, since when did you work in Japan?
I worked since July 6, 2018 until August 21, 2025. My duties and responsibilities: cooking, cleaning, beddings, marketing, take care of two kids, twins boys, 33 years old, and also pet take care.
Did you finish all your contracts?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, cheerful, and loving mother.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to help my family for financial and save for my kids for the future.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay, lastly, please give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I will take care of them by talk with them in the calm voice, and also I want to show them I care for them by playing with them.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.